Welcome to the third part of my Ultimate Java series. I'm Mosh Hamedani, and I'm super excited to be your instructor. In this course, we're going to talk about the advanced Java features that professional Java developers use on a daily basis. We'll be talking about exceptions, generics, collections, Lambda expressions and functional interfaces, streams, multi-threading, and asynchronous programming. I've designed this course as both a step-by-step guide and also as a reference. So if you want to better understand a specific topic like streams, you can jump to that section, but only if you have a good understanding of the topics I've covered in the previous sections, because each section builds on top of the previous sections. Also, in order to take this course, you should know the fundamentals well. You should have a good understanding of classes, interfaces, and object-oriented programming concepts such as inheritance and polymorphism. If you don't have a strong foundation of these concepts, you're probably going to find this course a bit challenging. So I would recommend you start from part 1 or part 2 of this series. Now let's jump in and get started.